Namaskar Deviyo Sajjano. I, Kuchala Sati, congratulates all the countrymen a very happy 74th Independence Day. Today, India celebrates 73 years of independence and India has completed 73 years of independence. Every year on 15th August, we celebrate freedom from the British rule. As we celebrate independence, we also celebrate the rich Indian culture and tradition. Absolutely, today we pray, progress and prosper in an independent nation, have freedom and coming together as one to make possible through the grit, determination and sacrifice of all those who fought for freedom in this land. So even though all of us may celebrate this special day in different ways, there is one common sentiment which colors all celebrations, and that is Vande Mataram. Belonging from the education sector, I, on the behalf of all the educationists, wants to congratulate the Indian government for the regulation and for introducing the new education policy after a long time span of 34 years. Shiksha nahi, Susiksha. The only motto of our school as well as all the educators, and we believe in this context that the education sector needs to gear itself towards the demands of the 21st century and the needs of the people and the country. As this policy commemorates the education as a festival for the upbringing and development of the ignited minds, we have got several gifts in the form of opportunities. Quality, innovation and research will be the pillars on which India will become a knowledge superpower. And to gain this position, all the educators must upgrade themselves through proper research and by imparting practical knowledge to the learners. And I believe through this new education policy, the teachers will be facilitated to be the super educators worldwide. I request all the citizens of the country to eradicate the ill practices towards non-education of girl child. We have got independence from Britishers, but still we need to get independence from the ill practices followed by us. Once again, I wish all of you a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. Dhanyavad.